Ignition. We have liftoff.
Rezolve AI lovers, how are you doing today? Well, how are you doing after Jim Cramer from Mad Money torched us on Friday evening? He is not a fan, but I am, because I bought more shares on Friday, and I had a limit order in place. I set it for $5.99, and yeah, it got filled near the end of the day. I think in the last 10 minutes of the day here. And actually, the day's range, it went down to $5.94, but I wasn't able to be at the computer to make any purchases, so I just put in at $5.99 and hoping it would get filled, and it did. And then after hours, we're bumping back up. So I like I like where I'm at there. Now, something else I noticed that calls are vastly outweighing the puts. I looked at the open interest here for call open interest and the put open interest, and essentially there are way more bets on the stock going up instead of down. And to me, that is very positive. And this is the total open interest of calls and puts across all strikes and expirations over the past 16 trading days. So I thought that was a positive sign. Now, stick to your plan. Ignore the noise. If you're trading swings, shorting options, holding for the long term, whatever you're doing, just trust your plan. That's, continue to do what you do. It's your money and it's your decision. Now, we know that 70 million ARR is coming. We know that the Liverpool contract is live. We know that there are going to be bearish call and puts with hyperactive. It's going to be hyperactive over the next week or so, pre and during and post earnings. So don't panic. Stick to your plan. Now, looking at SoundHound stock price close on Friday, to match the market cap of Sound, our Rezolve would need to be at $22 a share when comparing it to one of its peers in the AI space. I just want it to be at, I just want to be at 11. I just want us to be at $11 a share. I think that's possible. So I just want to be at half of what we should be. And I'm bullish on this stock mainly because I see Rezolve, it's massively undervalued. And on Wednesday, October 1st, when the numbers are filled with the SEC and confirmed, we will see what happens. I was looking at the relative strength index as well, and we are at, I think we were around 60. Looking down here, 54. So RSI of 60 usually indicates like a strong bullish momentum, suggesting that the recent average gains in the stock price are significantly larger than the average losses, but it's not yet in traditionally overbought territory, which typically is over 70. So I think this level suggests that the stock is in a healthy uptrend, and a lot of traders might use this to confirm a bullish trend or look for dips around 50 or 60. So that's what I did. I looked for the dip and I got in at $5.99. Usually I try to look at dips when the RSI is around 50 for potential buying opportunities, and we were right down there. So because of the high momentum and potential for a pullback, this is a very high risk stock in the short term. So traders should be mindful of the volatility. What we also know, we've talked about this before, insiders hold 40%, Citadel, BlackRock, Vanguard, those were the two names that were recently in. And, these big names, they know a lot more than we do. So I am happy to see that they're involved. My opinion, Rezolve looks like it's setting up for a move to the, higher. I think it's going to be moving higher. Fresh off these securing the oversubscribed $200 million institutional investment just days before earnings. And, I think the company now has the firepower to accelerate growth, scale sales, strengthen its AI platform. And institutions rarely put that kind of money to work with conviction. Without conviction. And, paired with the bullish technical signals and support above key moving averages, the setup suggests, I think the momentum will build quickly if earnings confirm the growth story. So we should, I think we're going to start trending higher Wednesday, probably pre-market after once Sir Dan speaks. And don't forget, Rezolve appointed Crispin Lorre, former Microsoft retail and consumer goods lead and former Google executive. Now he is in charge. He is EVP EVP growth. He is going to drive adoption globally. And so, I'm excited. Are we not going to invest in these great opportunities when we see the great signs? That's the beauty of investing. That's how great companies get started. I think they have a great team around them, and we're going to see. We'll put out a video probably before earnings, but certainly if we don't, we will have a video the evening of October 1st with reaction. Oh gosh, I'm excited. Hope you're doing well. Good luck. Take care. Bye.